Aloha from the Ozarks. Folks, I'm inside of a 10 by 16 lofted barn. Make a great little storage shed if that's something that you are looking for. I'm going to go outside and show you this building and then come back in and show you around inside of here. Turn the camera around so you don't have to keep looking at my ugly face and you can look at this pretty building instead. Okay. Here it is, 10 by 16 side lofted barn. Of course, I have one of the doors already propped open. It's painted white or black with white trim. Got a black metal roof. Metal roof has a 25-year warranty. We use PPG paints. That has a 10-year adhesion warranty and a 25-year warranty on the paint. Okay, let's go on inside the building and I'll show you around. Plywood in the walls and floors. Most of my competitors, if you're shopping it around, they don't use plywood. They use a lower quality OSB siding, and they don't use plywood in the floors either. They use a composite flooring. Okay, so automatically better building for us, for you, if that's what you're interested in. Okay. All of the wood that you're looking at is treated, and all of our treated wood products have a lifetime warranty. It's a limited lifetime warranty. None of my competitors offer that. We do use a premium grade of lumber for our 2x4s in the wall studs, our 2x6s in the floor joists. Premium grade costs us more to use it, but it gives you a better quality building. So Graceland wants to be known as the top quality portable building manufacturer in the industry. And these are several of the ways that we distinguish ourselves. Premium grade lumber, plywood in the walls and floors. Our floors are 5/8 inch thick. We put them together interlocking using tongue and groove. So that means you basically have one solid, gapless, seamless floor. Even though we're using multiple slabs of plywood, they're interlocked together. So it's basically bug proof. The bugs underneath can't climb up through these seams because they're interlocked using tongue and groove, okay? Standard on all of our walls, 2x4s are 16 inches apart. Some of my competitors space them further apart at 24 inches. That means they use less 2x4s. The more 2x4s in a wall, the stronger the wall. We use more 2x4s. We double them up every 4 feet, and we space them 16 inches apart like you would build in a home. We double reinforce the walls with 2x4s at the top and single reinforced at the bottom. You're shopping around, compare. Some of my competitors only use one 2x4 here instead of two. Okay? We attach our roof trusses, which by the way, they are also made of 2x4s. We attach them using metal hurricane clips. This building is engineer certified for 150 mile an hour wind gusts. If you're shopping around and the other companies are not using metal hurricane clip, giant gust of wind comes along, that roof may go away with it. We are engineer certified to 150, and part of that reason is because we use metal hurricane clips. All right, that's how you would build your own home. If you were getting a home built, you would have metal hurricane clips that attach the roof to your walls. Okay? Standard in every Graceland building are these aluminum soffit ventilation systems that run along the side walls. I wanted to show those to you. That's along the entire sidewall here, as well as the entire sidewall there. It's a Graceland exclusive. We have a patent on that, but it's for improved airflow and circulation. Up above, for improved airflow, we have a screened-in roof ridge vent. Screened in to keep out bugs and debris. Improved airflow, though. Combine the roof vent with the side soffit ventilation systems, the building stays at a minimum 10 to 15 degrees cooler in the hot, humid summertime, which makes a big difference in the Ozarks. This building has an optional upgrade called our radiant barrier, G-board radiant barrier. You're looking at it right there. That radiant barrier reflects out 97% of the sun's radiant heat, so that also helps keep this building cooler in the hot summertime. Every one of our roofs are built using 7/16 inch OSB roof decking, which is behind this radiant barrier. 7/16 inch OSB roof decking for the entire roof. Okay, many of my competitors don't use OSB roof decking. They use 1-inch wood slats that they lay across here, and they space them out. And that means their roof is not as strong as ours. We put that roof decking on there, and then on the outside of that, we place our metal roof, which comes with a 25-year warranty. We put a moisture barrier between the metal roof and the roof decking. That's standard to how you would have your own roof built if you were getting a metal roof built for your home. Okay? That's standard for how we build them. Now, I want you to see that we do use 2x6s for the floor joists underneath in our subfloor, as well as for the floor joists of our lofts. How tall are the walls? 6'4", right about 6'4" here. I measured up to here, that's about 6'11" right there. And then from here to the top, or just underneath that roof truss, is 3'8". So that's the headroom you have in the center of the lofted space. You do get two lofts, a 4-foot loft here, 4-foot loft over there, double wide barn door. Our barn door is built with double reinforced 2x4s for the framing of the barn door. That means that the barn door shall stay square with the building because it's got double reinforced 2x4s and a big strong header up above. That helps that door to stay square so that when the building is set on your site and level, the doors should open and shut properly. Okay, that's important. Let's see here. What else do I want to answer for you questions that you might have? Oh yeah, I'm going to point you out that if you will look in this video in the description, I will have a link to two things. Number one, my inventory, so you can look at all of the buildings that are in my current inventory. So click on that link to view that. And then another link to my frequently asked questions page, because I have people that ask me a lot of the same kinds of questions, so I went ahead and answered those questions and made videos and put it together, some pictures and charts and diagrams, etc. So I encourage you, read the description of this video to find links to those two other things, my current inventory and my frequently asked questions. If you are interested in this building, all you got to do is message me right here on Facebook. We have a no credit check rent to own if that's of interest to you. There's no penalty to pay it off early. I've got information about that in the frequently asked questions page. Free delivery and setup is within 50 miles of my lot, and that includes us setting it up on your concrete blocks and then anchoring it down into the ground in the four corners of the building. We use 18-inch anchors that go into the ground. That is also included in my frequently asked questions page. So if you do have questions, feel free to click on that frequently asked questions link, check those out, or just message me and ask me your questions. Message me right here on Facebook, okay? I will post this building in my inventory, so you'll see that in my Facebook Marketplace listing, where I will include the cash price, which is always your lowest price, as well as our rent-to-own pricing, okay? All right, you got any questions? You know what to do. Hit me up on Facebook. Aloha from the Ozarks.